Earn more than $100 per day just talking to actors. And the website we are going to work is on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money online. So in today's video, we are going to talk how to make more than $100 a day just talking to actors. Okay, and I'll show you clearly how to do that. And in this video we would be working on two different platforms together, like on ClickBank and Digistore 24. This is ClickBank and this is Digistore 24. So we are going to work on these two platforms, and we are going to chat with people on backstage.com. The actors and actresses are available on backstage.com. There are nearly over 400k people available in this website who are looking for some kind of job roles like voiceover, acting, anything related to the actors. They're looking for that kind of job. So alternately, these people are looking to make money from home also. Why? Because not only actors, even us, we are working for some other companies, and we also have some interest to do money from home also. So for that reason, we are targeting people from backstage.com, from backstage.com. So the first thing you need to do is just visit backstage.com, click on join now, and follow all the procedures what shown for the login. So once you get a confirmation email to your email ID, click on that and you get successfully logged into your account. So keep it aside, and the two platforms where we are going to work is on ClickBank and Digistore. What we are going to do, we are going to sell affiliate products. Okay, we are going to sell affiliate products. To know more about ClickBank, how to log in as an affiliate, I have a link in my description. Okay, you can please go through that link in my description. You'll come to know how to log in as an affiliate. And coming to Digistore, it's quite easy. Visit digistore.com, and there you need to sign up. It's quite easy, like signing up to Facebook and Instagram. Same way you need to sign up with Digistore 24. So the first step what you need to do is, after you successfully log into ClickBank, click on Marketplace, and this is the page you get directed. And here search for makeup. Why? Because many female actresses would be looking for makeup removals. Okay, so by selling this product, see, high in demand makeup remover cloth with insanely high conversions. So just check how this landing page looks like. This is how it looks like. See, there is a YouTube video, you can check thoroughly, but I'm showing you here clearly what product you need to market for females. Okay, so click on promote. You need to enter your account nickname over here. So it would be clearly shown while creating your ClickBank account. The link is in my description, please check with that. This is my account ID, and I'll just click on generate hookings. See, I've successfully got my affiliate link, so I'm going to copy this and paste it in a notepad. This is ClickBank. ClickBank. And the next step what you need to do is visit Digistore 24. Once you successfully log into Digistore 24, click on Marketplace. Scroll a bit down. Here you would be finding internet marketing and e-business. Click on this. And work at home secrets and internet jet set. This is the product where we are going to promote. Okay, let's just check how does it look. I'm going to copy. Already I'm promoting this product, so I'll just copy this link. Okay, link, and we need to know, this is a book. Actually, it's a book which has information how to work at home it gives brief information how to work at home, okay, and how to make money from home. So they can buy this product for $1. So within a month, if they are interested, they can pay $39 and you would be getting commission as $35. Okay? If they are not interested, then they can cancel it anytime, okay, within a month. So if they are interested, they would buy this product for $39 and you would be getting how much? $35 as commission. Let's just check with the site. This is how the landing page looks like. So we need to click over here, just check how much would be the cost of this book. The price right now is $1. So he would be giving 1 month of trial period, and the original price of this book is $39. I'm sure like each and every people who buy it for $1 will go with $39 for sure. Why? Because the information available in this book is legit and it's worth actually. People are generating a lot of money by coming across his training program. So $35 would be the commission. So these two links we need to promote to our actors. So I need to copy this and paste it in a notepad and give it a name as Digistore. So the next step what we need to do is we need to shorten the link. Why? Because the links available here are quite big. So to shorten the link, I guess you know how to do it. Visit bitly.com. After you successfully log into bitly.com, click on create, and I'll mention the link in my description, the bitly.com link in my description. You can check with that. Paste the long URL. Paste this long URL. Okay, then the link would be generated. Copy that link and paste it over here. Copy that link and paste it over here. And again for Digistore also you need to shorten the link. Go to visit, click on create, copy paste the long URL, just a minute. Click on create, copy paste the long URL. There is a long URL. Click on create and name it. You can rename it and paste it over here. So now it's time to visit backstage.com. Okay, here is the script with me. What the thing you need to chat with actors or actresses available there. This is for female actors. So here we are going to promote two different kind of products. One is makeup remover, another thing is like work from home. For females you can target both things like makeup remover and work from home. For male, target only one thing like work from home. Okay, so for female, how you need to do, visit backstage.com, join, you need to like successfully sign up to this backstage.com. It's quite easy. The second thing what you need to do is click on find talent. So once you click on find talent, according to the location you can target people. See, you can select any location over here. Like you can select Los Angeles, Austin, Texas, Seattle, Boston, any location. You can select any location, any gender. So what kind, anything, you can just filter it. So for example, these are the actresses who are looking for jobs. So I need to click on them. This is how it looks like, their profile. Okay, now it's time to message them. Subject: makeup remover, like you can put your own subject. Put this subject. You can also put your own subject, and I really appreciate people who do experiments with messages also. For females, you can send this message, or else you can write your own message and send them. Where is backstage? So click on message and send them. Done. There are nearly 400k people available in this website. You keep on sending SMS to them, okay? You would be surely getting rewards from them. Why? Because they would show quite interest into these products, and you can reply back with the generated shortened links. You can rename, like this is for makeup remover and this is for work from home. So once you get a message reply from the people, you can directly send these links. Okay, this is quite easy. You can easily chat with like 20 to 30 people per day. From that, you would be receiving 2 to 3 replies for sure. 2, 3, or maybe 5, or maybe 10 replies from them. Okay, so because they would be showing a lot of interest in work from home kind of category. So let's do with the male actor. Click on message, and this is for male. If you are interested in making a full-time income online and working for yourself from home, then this is the easiest way to get started with zero money right away. Please reply back to know more. That's it. Come over here and mention the subject. Copy paste the mail script. That's it. Click on send. So if they are interested, they will reply you. If they are not, they won't reply you. But I'm sure like you would be getting a reward from them. Why? Because these people are looking for like generating money, doing some kind of like online programs, like acting into videos or making voiceovers. They are looking for money, so we are giving them opportunity how to earn money, and also we are generating money by selling them the products with the help of ClickBank and Digistore. So this is how we are going to make money. If in case you are contacting more than like 20 or 30 people per day, if you are getting reward from 10 people and there is a conversions like 5 people, let's calculate it how much you would be getting. From 5 people you are getting reward, and the profit you are making is $35, or including the female one. There you are getting around $3. You are getting $3 over here. So 35 plus 3, $38 from 5 people. $190 per day. You can easily make $190. Okay, this is how we need to work. If you have any queries, then you can please comment down below. I'll surely help you out how to overcome those queries. So you might be having a question in your mind, like how to check whether we have got any sale on our link or not. So for that purpose, I'll be showing you clearly way to check that. Click on users, or else just click on account, not users. Click on accounts over here. Click on my your account ID, and here you will be finding reporting section. Click on reporting. So here where you will be finding each and every affiliate link you have marketed, how many link clicks you got, how many have purchased that links. Here is where you would be finding all the information. And coming to Digistore, click on reports, and after clicking on reports, click on analytics and scroll a bit down. Internet jet set. See, order from visitor. I've already got one order, and also I would be getting the percentage once the amount is credited in Digistore 24. You need to enter your PayPal account so that these people would be directly transferring the amount to your PayPal account. And in ClickBank there are two options. You need to mention your bank account details or your home address. There is two way of payouts, like they would be sending check to your home, or else they would be directly paying to your bank account. So this is how we have to track our analytics. Okay, and meanwhile, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell icon. Also refer your friends who are in need to earn money through online. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video and have a great day. Bye bye.